Alright, so in the previous lecture, we learned how to add pages to our website. Now we will talk about themes. What are themes and how can we add them? So here you can see a simple interface. Now we'll get our hands dirty and we'll start doing some customization on the themes. So yeah, as you may have noticed, up to this moment we kept everything as is. We haven't done any customization since we started working on WordPress. So as you can see here, this first theme in the one that is active at the moment, this is the default theme that we're using with a small sparrow here. That's how it basically looks like for now. This is the background image and colors. You can also see the posts that we've created previously. This design is set automatically by WordPress whenever a user creates a website. If I go to Google and search for some WordPress themes, you can see that there are hundreds of themes available on the internet. If I click on this theme link from wordpress.org, then you can see multiple themes here, like 2022, 2021, 2020, and so on. As you can see in the title, it says add style to your WordPress site. Browse 9720 free themes. So you basically have thousands of themes to choose from. Okay, so this theme that you see here, which is 2022, is the one that we are already using. We can also see two extra themes available for us to use in the editor. I'll activate this 2020 theme that you see here, so I simply click on the activate button here. As you can, there is a notification here saying new theme activated, visit site. Now if I go back to my website and I refresh the page, the interface of my website will completely change. Let's do it. I click on the refresh button in my browser, and here you can see the new look of the website. As you can notice, it's totally different from the previous one. Here you can see the categories that I have explained before. So we have blog, post, and programming. Alright. Then we have archives, recent comments, and recent posts. I can also search for a specific post if I want to. So yeah, it's pretty cool, no? This is basically how we create our blog by using different themes. You can see that this post is displayed at the top of the page because it was in the first position in my editor. So simply after activating a theme, the entire interface changed. This is one of the advantages of using WordPress, and yeah, it's pretty cool and very powerful, especially if you want to overhaul the entire design of your website. Okay, let's now take a look at the other available themes. So I click on the add new theme option right here. And as you can see, we have a variety of themes available for us to use. You can easily install them and check how your website would look like. So let's take a look at this one. If I click on preview, I'll get a description and some detailed information regarding the theme. I can also see the ratings here. Then the categories are displayed in front of us on the right. I'll click on read more here to preview this post. And here you go. This is how it looks like. Alright, so if you install it, you'll have a better idea of what's inside this theme. So let's do just that. I install this theme by clicking on the install button in blue right here. The themes have been installed. Now if I go to the appearance section, you can see this Cadence theme that is available for us to use in our themes library. Okay, so next I'll click on live preview here to see how this theme looks like when it's fully functional. And here you go. I can now explore the live preview and see how my website looks like with this theme. So I opened it in a new tab. Alright, so as you may have noticed, the interface still looks quite simple. Now, if you need something that is highly customized, then you may need to use a plugin called Eliminator. So yeah, this is how you can install your themes. Now, if you want to do some advanced customization, then you may need to go to the theme file editor here, and then here you can see the corresponding code. If you have zero skills when it comes to coding, then leave it as is. Don't touch it. However, if you have some coding skills and want to do some advanced customization, then you do this right here in the theme file editor. Alright, now if I click on Cadence here, you can see all the options that are available to you in this theme. In fact, as you can see, there is actually so much to do here. I'll click on this button here, Install Cadence Starter Templates. Okay, so now it's installing. And now that the installation is completed, all the templates related to Cadence are displayed here in front of us. Okay, so most of them are free, except when it's written Pro at the bottom right of the template. So yeah, basically when you see Pro written on it, it simply means that you have to purchase it. Okay, let's open this one and see what's inside. I click on it, and as you can see, the entire template is now displayed in front of us. But keep in mind that we have to purchase it to use it, because this was a Pro one. Alright, so let me click on this button here at the bottom left, Get Pro Starter Site. I click on it, and here you go. We can see the pricing. You can click on Get Started and buy it if you want. But as I mentioned earlier, we're not going to buy anything in this course since our ultimate objective is educational. Alright, so since we're sticking to free templates here, I can easily filter them out through the filtering options at the top. If you use a filter to only get free templates, then everything displayed in front of you down there will be free. Let's click on this one. Okay, so here's a landing page in front of us. So as you can see on the bottom left, right here, this template requires 2 plugins. So we need these plugins to use this theme and set up our website properly. Let's explore the different sections in this website. Okay, great. Very well designed. Now, if I click on the blue button at the bottom left, it says Full Site. Let's see what we get if we go to the full site. So I click on it, and I see that I have to import everything. Okay, so we won't do this right now. I just want to give you an overview of the different theme options that we have when creating a full website. At a later stage, we'll explore in detail how to edit and use the themes. Okay, so if I now go to Astra and activate it, you'll basically be able to see the starter templates of Astra. Then if I click on Astra Options, you can see here the free templates and plugins that we can install. Let's now head to the theme file editor and see what's in there. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, here is the code that you can modify if you need some really advanced customization. Alright folks, so that's pretty much it for this lecture.